All right, today I am here with the unboxing of the Hermes Calvi card holder, which in some countries you're actually allowed to customize. So this was a custom order that we placed and picked up recently. So the card holder is in Epsom. When you customize it, you can choose between Epsom or Swift. Swift is about $100 or so more than Epsom. You can choose to put on your stamp. It can either go on the exterior, as you see here, or if I open it up, you can go on the interior down here. In addition to the stamp, you can also put in initials or a date. That's up to, I believe, 8 characters. And you can choose the font and the size and the color. So here we chose silver color for the stamp. You can also choose a tone on tone for a more discreet look. We chose PM for the stamp size. You can have a smaller stamp size as well. And there's also a couple of different font choices that you have. As you would expect from a custom order, you can choose the exterior and interior colors as well. You can choose all this beautiful green and pink. As always, with every custom order, there's the Hermes horseshoe stamp, which you can see right here inside. A little bit hard to see on the pink, but hopefully that comes through. And with the Calvi, it's obviously the standard Calvi design. So there's a clasp closure and then 2 slots, credit card slots on each side in here as well that can hold several cards each. So a very nice, compact card holder, and pretty cool that Hermes allows you to customize this in some markets. The ordering process was pretty easy. You can do it all online, get a live preview, then order it and pick it up in store. It does take approximately 8 weeks, but that's what they say, but often it's a lot faster. Ours was done in, I believe, about 4 or 5 weeks. So you can use that for planning purposes as well. So when we convert to US dollars, this customizable Calvi card case in Epsom was about $350 US. And if you go for the Swift version, it'll be about $50 to $75 more, so approximately $400 to $425 US if you want Swift instead of Epsom. So pretty cool option. My wife is definitely excited to use this, and looking forward to hopefully seeing more customized options by Hermes in the future. Please feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Happy to detail any questions about the pickup or special order process for these card cases. And we'll see you next time.